Today, we learn the basic structures of a house. Door, window, and wall are the main parts that make up every home. These are the building blocks you see in every house around the world. Door sounds like dower. A door is what you open and close to go inside or outside a room or house. Every entrance has a door to keep things safe inside. Window sounds like window. A window is an opening in the wall covered with glass. Windows let sunlight and fresh air come into the house. Wall sounds like wall. A wall is the flat surface made of bricks or wood that stands between rooms. Walls hold up the house and divide spaces. Floor sounds like floor. The floor is the flat bottom surface where you walk inside a room. Floors can be wood, tile, or carpet. Ceiling sounds like ceiling. The ceiling is the top surface above your head inside a room. It covers the space between the walls and floor. Roof sounds like roof. The roof is the top cover of the house outside. Roofs protect the house from rain, sun, and wind. Here are all 6 house structures together: door, window, wall, floor, ceiling, and roof. Practice saying these words to remember house parts in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.